Hello students, my name is Mohammad Fariduddin. Today I am teach you chapter 2nd Python revision tour. Let's start our topic. Those are studied today. First of it all thing is string and another is list. So let's start with string. String is a collection of characters. Okay, those are shown in figure Python. Okay, string is a Python are stored in as individual character in contiguous location with two-way index for location. Means indexing like a array. Those are store the values with her index. Indexing is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is the forward indexing and the backward indexing. He always mention -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Okay, this is the way those are stored. The value is Python, Python. Okay, the next is item assignment not supported. Some of thing is those are not supported in a Python string. Okay, there is shown name 0 is equal to p, name is equal to hello. Those are the same variable. One is not showing the index and another is showing with index. Those are store p, so those are shown error. A string object does not support item assignment. Okay, now next is traversing means to travel in string one step to another step. Okay, that is shown in example. Those are code written is powerful. So for ch in code print ch with mention this sign and is equal to this. मीन्स इसमें क्या है कि एंड में हम लोगों ने कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं किया है कि कहाँ से शुरू होकर कहाँ तक एंड करेंगे. मीन्स कि जितने भी कैरेक्टर हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर कोड में स्टोर कर रखे हैं वो क्या हो जाएंगे, 1 by 1 स्टोर होंगे और हर एक के बीच में क्या हो जाएगा, इस तरह से बिलोंगिंग सिंबल लग जाएगा. ठीक, तो यहाँ पर इस तरह से ये सिंबल मेंशन हो गया जो इसका आउटपुट हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्या है, यहाँ पर आप देखिए स्ट्रिंग कॉन्केटिनेशन ऑपरेटर. कॉन्केटिनेशन मीन्स to added two string, means one is power and another is full. Those are adding with addition operator. Okay, those are arithmetic operator, so the result is powerful. Okay, the using of plus sign, those are added to string. Those are in the form of alphabet, in the form of number. Okay, if you have write any number, then you write 1 plus 2. The result is, those are the string 12, not 3. Okay, understand? So next is string replication operator. Those time string is to be replicate, means कि उसी को 2 से 3 बार तक रिटर्न करते रहना, लिखते रहना. उसके लिए हम लोग किसका यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जैसा कि यहाँ पर ये एग्जांपल मेंशन है जहाँ पर लिखा है 3 इंटू हा लिखा हुआ है. ओके, तो यहाँ पर ये रिटर्न बार बार क्या करेगा, 3 टाइम्स रिटर्न करेगा. किसको, हा को रिटर्न करेगा, जो कि यहाँ पर मेंशन है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज membership operator. It is based on as a boolean formation, means values are in the form of list or string. Those are stored or not stored. Okay, to two words is to be used is mention is in, not in. अगर लिस्ट है या कोई स्ट्रिंग है और उसमें कोई एक अल्फ़ाबेट को डिफाइन किया जा रहा है जो कि उसमें पहले से ही लिखा जा चुका है, तो वहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, वो वैल्यू किसकी हो जाएगी, ट्रू हो जाएगी। तो ट्रू में हम किसको मेंशन करेंगे, इनको मेंशन करेंगे। अगर वो वैल्यू वहाँ पर डिफाइन नहीं हो रही है, अगर पाइथन लिखा है उसमें हम एल सर्च कर रहे हैं, तो एल सर्च कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, नॉट इन हो जाएगा, क्योंकि एल क्या है, पाइथन जैसी स्ट्रिंग में स्टोर नहीं है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर। Comparison operator, those are always with the help of relational operators. Okay, those are shown here. Relational operator, less than or equal to, greater than equal to, equal to, not equal to. Okay, means here a equal to a means value is true. ABC equal to ABC means दोज आर द क्वेश्चन। यहाँ पर ये क्वेश्चन बन रहा है कि ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल हैं, और ये कंडीशन इक्वल की है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी सिंगल कैरेक्टर है, स्ट्रिंग है, यहाँ पर भी स्ट्रिंग है, यहाँ पर भी इसी तरह सेम स्ट्रिंग है, आपस में वो क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे। मगर यहाँ पर कह रहा है कि ए नॉट इक्वल टू ए बी सी, ये भी कंडीशन इसके लिए क्या हो जाएगी, ट्रू हो जाएगी। मतलब कि इस तरह से रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर होना चाहिए कि वहाँ पर जो वैल्यूज़ हम यहाँ पर स्टोर कर रहे हैं वो उससे बिलोंग कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है। तो अगर ये इसके इक्वल नहीं है, यहाँ पर सिर्फ ए है, यहाँ पर ए बी सी है, बात सही है कि आपस में क्या होंगे, इक्वल नहीं होंगे। नेक्स्ट इज शोन इन दिस प्रिंसिपल, स्ट्रिंग आर कंपेयर्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ lexicographical ordering in dictionary. In dictionary you have no key and values, both are value supported. Okay, upper case letters and considered smaller the lower case letter. Okay, so if you have any problem then you discuss. And next is determining ASCII Unicode value of a single character. Those are showing the a particular function is order function. Ord means ordinal, order function. Okay, in those he have to be shown the ASCII value like a character. Okay, this is the syntax, those are mentioned. Students, this is the ASCII, a Unicode value of single character. Those are used to define a single character using odd function. Odd function that may be help to convert the character in the form of digit. Now just opposite work is character. Character is to be used when the value are defined, when the character are defined in a digit, those are given as output of character. Okay, मतलब ये है कि अगर यहाँ पर पाइथन में अगर आपको किसी सिंगल कैरेक्टर को डिफाइन करना है और वो डिजिट के फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है, तो वहाँ पर आप जब भी ऑड का यूज़ करते हैं तो ऑड क्या करता है, उसको कैरेक्टर को किस में कन्वर्ट कर देता है, डिजिट में। और इसका जस्ट अपोजिट होता है कैर में। तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है, ये कैरेक्टर में से को मतलब नंबर जो दिया रहता है उसको कन्वर्ट करता है किस में, कैरेक्टर में। नंबर को कैरेक्टर में डिफाइन करने के लिए हम लोग कैर फंक्शन का यूज़ करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ odd and char. Those are defined character, but output is represent is 65. This is digit. Those are always character, but output is digit. The same is character is 65. Those represent in character form. Okay, I hope you understand. Now next is string slices. There have a complete sentence or a string. Those are divided in a small piece known as string slices. String slices also refers to a part of string containing some contiguous characters from the string. Contiguous character means move one index to another index. From example, 0 to start, 0 1 2 3. This is the contiguous form of a string. Those are shown in the example. Here the example is represented. Hello string. Hello string also hold hello world. Hello world, those are in the form of character. This is written in the form of boxes. This is the number of slices, means HELLO space WORLD. Those are the different slices of a particular string. Okay, they have to be shown. In the first example is 6 is to 10, means 6 is the starting position and the 10 is the last position. Okay, those are shown in the diagram, or those are understandably easy with the help of index. Okay, I hope you understand. For this is the showing is 3 is to minus 2, means last two digit. 3 is to be started position, but minus 2 because these are the backward formation. Here used to be start 0 1 2 3, this is the forward, and 10 9 8, this is the backward. Minus 2 is the backward formation of the index, so those is shown in first is 3 and last is minus 2. Understand? This is the interesting inference, means how is to be formation, means you have to be stored the values is a function as n or plus n. We will get original string. U means start 0 plus 10, to total of number of string is 10. Okay, this work for n negative or out of bounds. Consider the string namely word storing amazing. Storing amazing, word starts to be 3, word stop to the 3. Okay, means the last is starting to zing. So zing is zing is the first part, those are to be started, and the last part is the 3 is ama. Okay, this is the last part. Now next is string function. How is to be string perform? Because string function also the build function. Those are the method to be manipulate the particular problem. Those are the syntax of the string function. Firstly you write the string object, method and function. Okay, for example, string, those are store rock the world. Okay, you have to be mention string dot length function. Okay, here is to be function, those are stored, the method is length. You are calculate the total length of the particular string, that is 15. Okay, now next is string 2 is equal to new word. Now str2 length function is showing the length is total of line length is 9. Okay, those are the Python built-in string manipulation methods. Those are used for different logics. Capitalize, you have to be convert in the capital. Okay, find, sub, start, and is num function. Alphabets, alphanumeric is a num function. Next is alphanumeric is digit. Those are written the different values according to her method. Okay, showing I have given you a number of tables. Those are the method to return the string in the Python. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. So the next is making true copy of a list. means we have not to be work a single list and multiple variable. In those he have to be separated. Those are shown in the figure. First here the list is colors. Those colors is red, blue, green. Those indexing is 0 1 2. Okay, now next b is equal to colors, so does not copy the list because he always the stores in the variable colors. If you have color defined in the form of list, then you have to be write their elements, but in those the value are only be the performing individually. So the true value are in those b is equal to list colors. This is the method to write a list. Okay, making the true copy of list means values are stored in the b and also stored in the colors. Okay, next is list function. So in those they have to be different manner, different method to manipulating the list. Okay, now first is you have to be written the syntax is list dot append, sorry, list the object dot method name and parenthesis. Means firstly you define the list of particular object and her method. What you will do, it means you have to append or indexing, so you have to be written. Now in those index method, this function returns the index of first match item from the list dot index item. For example, for a list 1 is stored 13 18 11 16 18 14. In those 18 and 18 are stored multiple times, so no problem. Here is to be defined L1 is the list dot index is the method and parenthesis where which you are to be searching. Okay, now you have to be written 18. Okay, the result is written the indexes of the first value 18, means the position of first value of 18. Even if you have another value searching, now the indexing is 4. Okay, those are shown in a list. Now the next method is append. Those are always work as, if you mean append means you have to be stored the next value in our list. So you have to firstly define the colors. This is the list is equal to, those are stored the value is red, green, blue. Now colors, those are also I have defined the list colors dot append, this is the method. And yellow color is to be stored in the particular list. Those are always given red, green, blue. Okay, now the result is colors is red, green, blue, yellow. Okay, understand? So next is extend. You always know extend means to be improved the in the list. So now extend method is also adding multiple elements. Okay, there I used to use extend function. Those are working. Firstly you have to define and return extend list. Okay, here two values of the list is t1 is equal to abc and another t2 is de. t1 dot extend t2. Okay, means those are to be extend and merging in the single list. So there is to be t1. If you have t1, search t1, those are result is a b c d. But you have to be search t2, they are always de. Okay, here one line mention the difference between append function and extend function, because the append only adds, but you extend means you have to be store the number of list in the particular. Okay, so the next is insert method. In those they are different from append, means you have to firstly define list dot, those are the extension, insert of as a method, as a property function and firstly you define the position and element which are to be stored. In those you have to be understand with the help of example. T1 store A, E, I, O, U. Now T1 is to be stored. Another values inserted. T1 insert 2 comma I. 2 is the position of the list and I is the element where is to be stored. Now the T1 is to be stored A, E, I, O, U. So I is the second position in the particular list. Okay. So the next is pop method. Pop method is always to be remove the particular value. Okay. In those they take a value where which you have to delete it. Now there is the example. Here we have to be define a T1 whose the value is this. Here is to be used. In those we have to be define list using pop function and given their position. Okay. In those they have to be defined k in t, so the k is to be removed. Those are function value is index value is 0. There is position of 0, the k is to be removed from the list. Okay. This is the pop. In those compulsory you have to be define a position. Okay. Now next is the remove method. In remove method, the first occurrence the given first the list is to be used as per the following. It means you have to be define list using remove function and giving value only. Okay. Not define the position. Here the value and the value is to be removed after the using remove function. Okay. Now next is the clear. Clear is the method where you have to be written clear the value, all values those are stored in the list is to be erased, or list is shown in the form of empty. Next is count method. Here you have to created a list. Those are store elements 13, 18, 20, 10, 18, 23. Okay. Now here is to be written how many times 18 is to become. So you have written L1 dot count 18. So you have to show the 18 is to be 2 times. Those are stored in the value. Their first position is 1 and another is 4. 2 times is to be calling. Now next is 28. 28 is to be not stored in our list. So he have to be shown 0. Now next is reverse method. Reverse method also defined with the help with his name, means you have to be use list dot reverse function. Now the value is to be reverse form, means EIQ AQP. So those are the resulted form represented in reverse form. He is the written is the PQA QIE. Okay, I have to understand. Next and last is sort method. Sort means to rearrange the value in the particular order. Means if you have written ascending order, if you have written descending order, means A to Z or Z to A. So we have to be use sort function, list dot sort function. Firstly you define the list, return t1 dot sort function. T word is to be sorted, means firstly he come A in alphabet, next is E, I, P, Q. Okay, this is the reverse sorted form of your list. Okay, now those are completed. Thank you for watching.